The people across the Indian city of Kolkata are gathering in pretty large numbers to celebrate Mahapanchami, one of the most important days of the Durga Puja festival. Now, the city is alive and with vibrant energy and devotion. Durga Puja is a grand and a joyous celebration that honors Goddess Durga, symbolizing the triumph of good over evil. The festival lasts for a period of 9 days, and rituals like Bilva Nimantran are performed, inviting the goddess to the celebration officially. The pandals, which are temporary structures housing the deity, open their doors to welcome visitors eager to witness the artistic creativity and devotion that is put out in each display. And this year, Kolkata's Durga Puja pandals are turning heads with their very unique themes. And one of the standout pandals is in Alipur, where the spotlight is on tea. The pandal, inspired by Bengal's deep love for chai, showcases the rich history and global love for tea through some stunning paintings by 60 talented artists. Now, despite the warnings of heavy rain, devotees are flocking to these pandals.
Just simply exploring the art. This is an art festival over a religious festival. This is an art festival, a celebration. So yeah, we are going out, we are exploring and appreciating people's hard work and dedication. And we have a time to proud to be a Bengali.
And our correspondent Piyali Mitra has sent us this report from Kolkata. Listen in.
It's hard to find anyone who doesn't like tea, right? Especially the Bengali people. This Durga Puja, Alipur Sarbojonik Durga Utsav Committee, the one of the famous South Kolkata Durga Utsav Committee, has come up with a special theme. Their theme is Chapanutor. They are taking their viewers on a journey through tea's origin and its global popularity. If you see, the walls of the pandal are adorned with the vibrant paintings depicting the evaluation of tea, struggle of the plantation laborers, and its impact on global culture. Today is Panchami, but pandals is already overcrowded despite of an orange alert of heavy rainfall. The excitement is palpable and people are in mood of pujo. Already Bengal is in full swing of pujo mode. With camera person Rana, this is Piyali Mitra reporting for WION.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.